So today we will see the comparison of present perfect and present perfect continuous tense. For more details about these tenses, you can click the link given in the description box. Now let's see present perfect tense. It is used for finished actions, and present perfect continuous is used for unfinished actions. Now finished actions like the kids have played for 2 hours. Now here the focus is on completion of the action. Kids played, yes. Now present perfect continuous, here it is used for unfinished, like the kids have been playing since morning. So here the focus is on continuity. It is not finished now. Now it is also used for permanent actions, like I have taught English for 12 years. And present perfect continuous, it is used for temporary actions, like I have been teaching the class for 1 hour. Now the present perfect tense emphasize on the result of the action, and present perfect continuous emphasize on the duration of the action. Like see the present perfect, he has repaired the car. No, so what was the result of the action is that the car is repaired now. And here in the present perfect continuous, he has been repairing the car for 2 hours. So it is showing the duration for how long he repaired the car. So he has been repairing. It is not completed, and it is telling the duration of the action. Let us see more examples. Like I have been gardening since morning. So here focus is on continuity. Action is not completed. And second example, I have planted several new saplings. Here the focus is on completion of the action. More examples we'll see. I have been reading since morning. So here focus is on continuity. Yes. And the next is I have read 2 books since morning. So here it focuses on completion. The books have been read. Now let's see more examples for temporary and permanent situation. Now the present perfect continuous tense is used to talk about more temporary actions or situations, and present perfect tense is used to talk about longer lasting or permanent situation. Now let's see the example. The boy has been standing at the gate for hours. So here it is a temporary action or situation. Second example, the temple has stood on hills for hundreds of years. So it shows the longer lasting. See more examples on long term or short term situation. Like I have played tennis most of my life. It is a long term situation. Same way if we use in present perfect continuous, so we can write it I have been playing tennis most of my life. So this is also showing long term. So you can use the present perfect or present perfect continuous, any of the tense. But see the next example. If we want to show the fact that we have actually been playing, means we could have just stopped or still be playing, then we use the continuous, means the action is not completed, still I am playing. Like I have been playing tennis for 2 hours. So it is a short term situation, so we'll use present perfect continuous. I hope you all understood well. Thank you.